Hey, superstars, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So what you're looking at right now is basically what I made today. It's 5/28, as you can see right here, 2021. I made over $1,500. Now, in this video here, I'm going to show you right now proof how to make $1,000 today, okay? Today, online by using this very simple method here, okay? And as a matter of fact, we're going to use something that's called space. Now, you may be thinking Elon Musk out of space. No, this is something that's brand new that no one is doing, but many people that know what they're doing, internet marketers, are using this to make money. And listen, all you need to do is this. Lay in your bed, because I'm in my bed right now, okay? Take off your clothes, get relaxed, get you a glass of water, and listen to every word in this video here, because I'm going to show you proof and step by step how to make $1,000. So one, you can leave your 9-to-5 job. Two, you can stop listening to your dumb parents. And three, so you can understand that you can really lay in your bed, sit at home, and make thousands of dollars per day if you listen close and pay close attention. Is that cool? And for everybody that think that's just a screenshot, let me do a refresh. There you go. Again, $1,500, okay? Now, this is what you got to do. First step is this. Make sure you smash the like button. Show me some love, because I'm going to give you massive value. Listen, I'm going to teach you and entertain you. And you got to believe this. Comment below. You can do this. You got to believe that you can do it, right? You can't just like the video and sub to the channel and have the mindset that you're going to be broke after the video. Listen, once you watch to the very end, you're going to have undeniable proof and steps to do this right now. It doesn't take any money. It takes a little time. But like I said, you're naked. You're relaxed, right? You got that glass of water and you're focusing on everything that you see in the video here, okay? So the first site you need to go to is Quora.com. And no, I know what you guys are thinking. Nah, Quora, come on, Wesley. I don't want to answer questions. You don't have to do that. This is brand new. And this is what I do. And this is what some of my team are doing as well. Big affiliates around the world that are making tons of money. And now you're going to do the same thing as well, okay? So go ahead and get you a free account. Go to Google, connect it with Google. This is what I do here. And it makes it easy. And before you know it, you're in. Boom, you're in. And basically, you guys should already know what Quora is. It's basically people ask questions and they submit answers all day. But guess what? You're not going to do that. We're going to waste our time doing that. Why? Because we want to make money online fast, not slow. And you best to believe that it's very possible to do this. If you put in a little work, because I know you got $0 in your bank account, that's okay. But all you have to do is watch the video one time, then come back and watch it again and actually do it with me. Does that make sense? Watch the video one time, then after that, watch it again and do it with me, okay? So listen, all you have to do is this. You go up here where it says spaces. Did I tell you I was going to take you out of space? This is something new with Quora here that we've been testing, and we've been making thousands and thousands of dollars every single day. And now you're going to make the same thing as well, okay? So click on see all spaces here, okay? And what you want to do is click on create a space. And a space is nothing but a group. It's like a Facebook group, but now Quora has groups as well. And they get visited about 20 million visits every single month on this site. And many people are not doing it, right? Because most people are behind. As you can see, I have a group. I have a space right here that's doing very well. But let's create a new space. And this is what I want you to do. Create a new space. Now, listen, what we're going to do, okay, because we're going to make a ton of money here, we're going to focus in a manifestation and meditation niche. Why? Because that niche right now is making people a ton of money. I'm talking about newbies, a lot of money right now because it's the trend. So what you're going to do is this. You can type in manifest what you want, and feel free to do exactly what I'm doing here. You can say manifest what you want overnight. You can put manifest what you want in one day. You can put manifest what you want fast. Does that make sense? So what I'm going to do is put in manifest what you want overnight here, okay? Now, this is very important here. Now, understand, Quora has an algorithm, okay? And what it does, and this is so new, is when people are searching, millions of people per day are searching things, based off what you put in the description here, your group will show up. And I'm going to show you how this works and show you how you get paid and show you how simple it is to make money online using the strategy here. So we're going to put in manifest, meditation, law of attraction, make sense, success, because people are going to be searching this. Understand this, with these type of sites, these social media platforms, the algorithm, when people search for things, it looks in the description and the name. So make sure the word that you're going to dominate is in the name and the description. Very easy, right? Smash the like button if you didn't know that. Let's get it. So I hit create here, hit skip importing. We're going to skip this as well. And voila, you have a group, okay? It's done. You have a space. We're going out of space with Elon Musk, and it's time for us to make billions of dollars like Elon Musk, right? Listen, well, not billions today, but I'm going to show you how to do a couple of $1,000s, okay? You can change this. You can put a nice timeline if you want to, but understand this. Now, this is where it gets very interesting. This is where you got to really pay close attention, because most people, they try to fast forward through the video, and then they miss out on valuable information. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. Don't be silly. Pay attention here. Go to Google, type in how to manifest, okay? This works. This is exactly what I'm doing. And yesterday I did about $1,500, okay? $1,500 a day is about, what, $45,000 a month? Now, I know you can't live off that, but a lot of people can. How to manifest. All you're going to do is scroll down here. See what 7 steps to manifest anything you want. You click here, okay? And all we're going to do in this article here, we're going to scroll down, okay? To start manifesting, be clear about your goals. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to take this sentence here, okay? We're going to copy this. And no, we're not going to paste it back in Core. And then we're going to go to a site by the name of quillbot.com. And what we're going to do is, we're going to populate our space with questions and answers. That's important, right? Because once you start to populate it, right, then you're able to get more people to look at it and you make a ton of money. And I'm going to show you exactly how that is done. So copy and paste, sign up for too many characters here. So let's take off here. And you want to make sure it's long, because understand this is an answer to a question that we're going to ask right here on this site here. Does that make sense? That is the question here. Okay. Look, how to manifest. Okay. How to manifest fast. Because this is what people are searching for. We click post. Say the question shows up here. Okay. Click this off. And I go back here and I'm going to click paraphrase. So basically, what I took from the internet on google.com, I just posted here. I hit paraphrase. Look, no work. I'm still laying in my bed, butt naked, right? You're still smashing the like button because I'm giving you massive value. And Quillbot does it all for me. Once it's done, right, I have a drink of water. I copy the full text. I go back right here and I answer it. Okay? That makes sense? See? How to manifest fast. Make a list of your goals, blah, 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 blah. Right? Add comment, right? That's important. Let me tell you why. The reason why we're going to populate the space like this is when people start to search, well, we want people to come to our group. How do you do that? This is how you beat the algorithm. You want to make sure the word that you're trying to dominate and the question is a part of the question and the answer and the post itself, right? That's the trick. All right, so we're going to do that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Wes, I get it. But how do I get paid, Wes? I need money. Listen, this is what you're going to do, okay? You're going to go to digitalstore24.com because you need to have an affiliate offer. You can go to clickbank.com. You can go to JVZoo, but personally, I use Digital Store 24, and I'm going to click on Marketplace. And since we're in the manifestation niche, we're going to scroll down to Genie Script right here, which is my product. It is, but it's doing very well. We're doing about $1 million average every 2 to 3 months. And that's not me making that money. That's people like you. That's people like you who are brand new people are using this product and they're making a ton of money. Okay. So what you want to do is click on promote now, but you need to log in. So you need to get yourself a free account. I'm going to log into one of my accounts here. Okay. Are you guys with me here? I'm going to go to marketplace right here. Okay. Scroll down and make sure you get an account. Understand this is worldwide, everywhere, even for you. I don't care if you're in Africa, you can be in Timbuktu. It works. Okay. And these are the people that's going to pay you, but pay close attention to this part here. You're going to take this affiliate link, you're going to copy it, right? Then what you want to do is move off to bit.ly.com. Okay. It's important. Stay with me here. It's almost done. I'm going to shorten that URL. Okay. Copy. Now, this is what you want to do. Now, we want to keep that screen open because listen, now this is important here. Pay attention. You got to stay and make sure you keep this open because now we need to go back, right, to core. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask another question. Now, understand, people that want to manifest, what do they want to do? They want success, right? They want to be able to use their minds to manifest the things that they want, okay? So what we're going to do is this, a new post. And we're going to go back to Google, okay? How to manifest overnight. How about that? Right? Because that's going to be very compelling to people. Even you are thinking, yeah, Wesley, how can I manifest overnight? On my YouTube channel, you can search for a video. I teach you how to do it. It's powerful. You'll never see anywhere else. But listen, what I do is I go here. And listen, I'm not doing any work. I'm just scrolling. I'm using my 2 fingers and I'm using it on the laptop, right? Does that make sense? I'm scrolling down here, how to mess with anything you want and see results fast. So I'm going to click on this, right? I'm going to read through here. If there's something that I want. Okay. Nah, I'll pass that up. So understand what people like. They like steps. 5 steps to manifest anything overnight. There we go. This is what we want. Now listen, this is what we're going to do. Well, all we're going to do is copy here, okay? See that? Copy. Give me a second, folks. All right, look. What I'm doing is smash the like button for me. I hate pop-ups. Smash the like button if you hate pop-ups. I just can't stand them. I want to kill the person that did. I'm sorry, not kill. I want to smash their head in. Listen, copy that. Go back to Quillbot right here. So simple, right? And we're going to paraphrase it because we're not going to copy that. We're going to paraphrase it here. And we're going to take off a little bit of this. Now, you got to make sure that this is long. The longer it is, because you're going to give massive value in core. The longer the posts are, core, the algorithm is going to see that, right? And it's going to recommend your group. And this lasts forever. I know people who still get paid from stuff like this that they've created years ago, okay? So we'll do this here. We click the paraphrase button here, okay? Pop up here. It's going to paraphrase it for me. All it's going to do is change the words around, change the adjectives, the nouns, whatever. Same content, but different wording. Why? That keeps you from plagiarizing, okay? Then you're going to copy here, go back here, and then you're going to copy and paste. But this is what we're going to do. Listen. In the middle, you type this. Best, fastest way to manifest your dreams. Listen to this sound. Right? And remember when I told you to open this page up and keep it open? You copy that. You go back here. I know you guys are getting excited, right? It's simple. How many of you can do this? It's so simple to do. You do this over and over again, right? You go back here and you just copy it there, okay? In between the copy. Does that make sense? Are you guys with me here? And then what we can do is we can bold this out here. We can make it bigger here. You see that? Then what's going on is when people are reading the post, I'm going to post this here, okay? When you post it here, when people start to read this, when they click on this, because they're like, okay, what is the fastest way to manifest your dreams? They click. It's in your space, in your group. Does that make sense? So what you're doing is you're providing value, and at the same time, you're embedding your affiliate link. And the great thing about this is what you're going to really love. Check it out. Let me show you something. Right now, my product, I'm going to give you 80% commission, and the average earn is $47. So imagine this. Imagine 10 people every single day clicking your link, getting this product. That's over $500 a day, right? It's up to you. And all you need to do is keep doing this over and over again. So look, what I mean is this: keep posting articles in your group over and over and over again, because this is so new with Quora here. You better do it now. Don't wait for months and other people jump on this. Do it now, because I'm pretty sure a manifestation group doesn't even exist. You could be the first one, right? Or you'll be number 2, because I've already did it. And as you can see here, I've already earned $1,500. Listen, you can do this. Do it right now. This is what you want to do. You want to continue right now to post questions and answers, building up your group, okay? And once you're done, you can start inviting people. You saw that little screenshot that keeps popping up, that pop up. Well, that's people that you can invite to the group. And but what's important for the space is you want the space to be already populated with questions and answers about meditation, about law of attraction, that you're going to get from where? Google.com, right? You find an article, you rephrase it, and you keep doing it over and over again, and you'll find yourself very soon one day making $1,500 per month, per day, per hour. It's up to you based off the work that you provide. Listen, I got some more videos here. Listen, if you want me to help you to make $10,000 in 45 days by creating digital products online, it's very easy to do. The reason why I don't BS, I just keep it real. And in the course, in the description below, go ahead and do that. Hey, if I gave you massive value, smash the like button. Remember, you can do this. So take your hands out of your pockets and get busy. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love, motivated, dedicated. Let's go.